Hello Aquarius, welcome to Brutally True Tarot, and this is a reading about your ex. So here in this reading we will be discussing about how your ex is feeling, what is going on in the life of your ex, and what do they think about you, if they still think about you. So this reading is a timeless reading, so whenever you find it, it is meant for you. Let's start and see what are the messages from your ex. Messages for the ex of Aquarius. Please Tarot, give us messages for the ex of Aquarius. Nine of Athens. Seven of Wands. The High Priest. The Battle Wagon. Nature. The High Priestess. Okay Aquarians, the very first card that we have here for your ex is of Nine of Athens. So with this card of Nine of Athens, it seems like that your person is sad. Your ex is alone. Probably they are living alone right now. There is no one in their life. And possibly there is no family to support them right now at this point, and somewhere they are feeling trapped. They feel that there is no way out and they don't know how to break through this. I don't know, they feel like they won't be able to move on ever. They won't make it. They won't be able to get over these negative feelings or this depression, but something is there that is affecting them very real badly. And with this Nine of Swords, they are waiting for something. They are looking for the light at the end of the tunnel. I mean, they are searching for a reason to be back with you. They are looking for a chance to interact with you. They are eager. But there is light at the end of the tunnel, but I feel like there is some kind of obstacle between you and them. You see here there is a window, so light is coming inside. They see there is hope, but then there is something obstructing them from reaching you out physically. The windshield, you can say. They can see it, but they cannot touch it. They cannot have it. Probably they are watching you from somewhere. They want to have you, they want to touch you, they want to talk to you, but they cannot. They are helpless. With this Seven of Wands, it seems like right now they are feeling betrayed by everyone. Everyone is questioning them and they are answering them. They are explaining things to the people, but I don't think anyone is ready to listen to them. With the Seven of Wands, somehow they are balancing their life and somehow they have kept control over the situation, because things are falling apart for them. And with this card of the High Priest, it seems like they are seeking advice from someone who is so senior. I mean, this person might be someone who is in their family, someone who is aged, someone who is experienced, and they're asking for advices from them. And practically they don't know where to go. Literally, this is a situation where they feel trapped. With the Battle Wagon, if they get a chance, they will come running back to you. If you show them a sign, they will not resist. They will be more than happy to approach you. They are ready to keep their heart open. They are ready to speak up all the truth. They are not afraid to tell you that how alone they were without you. They are not afraid to express their true feelings to you. But they need some kind of clearance from you. I mean, what can I say? The proper word would be signal or sign. Something that makes them believe that you are still available, that you will still forgive them for what they did. Something like that. Because with the card of the High Priest, it seems like that you're not telling them much, you're not interacting with them. And even if you are interacting with them, you are not opening up much. You are not showing your true feelings to them, whatever you feel right now. If you are offended, you are not showing them that you feel really angry, really angry when they are around. But they somehow want to know what you actually feel. Are you happy to have them back in your life, or are you being offended by their presence? With the card of the Nature, it seems like this person is watching you doing something. You are getting ready for something. Possibly you are gaining movement in your life. You are progressing ahead and you are setting traps. I mean, these traps are meant to achieve your goals. You want to trap your chances of being in a relationship or in a workplace, and this person is watching you do that. This person is kind of upset because they cannot believe what is actually happening. So they cannot make initiative, because here you see, as I said, they see the light at the end of the tunnel, but there is an obstruction. Let's check some more messages for you, Aquarius. Messages from Aquarius for your ex. Seven of Athens. King of Chalices. Five of Chalices. So you might be watching them going ahead, you might be watching them moving forward in their life, but the truth is that probably they're pretending all this, because with the Seven of Athens, it is clear that they are looking behind at the past and they still want the past back. So they are already longing for you, but they are trying to go ahead. So probably they want to make you jealous. They want to listen something from you because they feel like you are cold. You're not telling them what do you feel right now. And if they act in this way, probably it will make you jealous and it will make you speak up They wish that someday you will come running back to them and tell them, stop this, you need not go into a new relationship, I'm still there, I still have feelings for you. Something like that. Because you are not opening up. If you open up, probably they would not miss a chance to be with you again. And they are actually looking at something that they have left behind. With this King of Chalices, it seems like that they are ready to bring change in themselves. They know that what they have done, and they know that what they need to change in themselves, because they hurt you badly in the past and now they don't want this to happen again. So with this King of Chalices, this person actually wants you back. This person is actually ready to bring changes so that everything goes fine in the future, because they have this fear of being alone. Probably they are trying to show you that they already have someone, but there is no one in reality. And with this Nine of Athems, they are still looking forward to talk to you. With this Five of Chalices, it seems like they are regretting something. They are regretting the loss of 2 chalices. However, they have 3 chalices behind them. So possibly there is someone who is interested in them. There are people who might be interested in them, but they cannot see them around themselves, because what they actually need is satisfaction, and that satisfaction comes only from you. No matter how options are there, how many options are there, they're still hoping for your, what can I say, for you to come back and tell to them that you are still available, and they want to have that chapter again. Okay, let's check what are the messages for you, Aquarius. Oracle messages for the X of Aquarius. Bridget, inner strength. Move back to wholeness. Recognize that you have the power. So whatever they made you feel like, probably they made you feel like helpless, weak, or a person who deserves nothing, but you need to have your inner strength, and you need to know that you have everything. This person now realizes that you have everything, and they are longing for it. Okay, so if you are feeling bad about yourself because of them, then just forget it. You have everything, and they're just pretending that you don't have, so that they can make you weak. Okay, so this was the reading for you, Aquarius. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.